What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at a flashlight, so stay tuned. Alright, so if you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, and beard product reviews, so thank you for stopping by and checking this video out. If you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me, and make sure to hit that thumbs up down there. Today we're going to be taking a look at a flashlight. This one is the Wsky flashlight. I'm going to pronounce that Wsky just because it sounds good. All right, so this is the S2000. Now this company reached out to me, full disclaimer, this company reached out to me and asked that I would test out their product and do a review on it, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, so it comes in a 2-pack. You get 2 of these flashlights in one box. So this is the S2000. A couple of the features: super bright, 5 modes, zoomable design, waterproof, shock resistant, and it uses AAA batteries. You get 2 of these flashlights for the price. I'll go ahead. Price on Amazon is anywhere from $14 to $17 for 2 of them. So we're gonna test them out today and see if it's worth the money. But I could not find anywhere where it told me the amount of lumens that it had. But here it just says super bright, 5 modes, and that's pretty much it. So what you get: 2 flashlights. It is AA or AAA battery. It holds a little harness in there for that. It does take a rechargeable battery. It's not included, and it has a little sleeve that you can use for that. All right, so then it is zoomable, so you slide that out. Now measuring from here to here is about 5 1/4. Measuring like this, it's about 5 3/4. So you got about a 1/2 inch slide there. It is super bright. Like I said, nothing would tell me the amount of lumens, nothing on the box, nothing in the paperwork, nothing on Amazon. I can just tell you that it's bright. Your 5 modes of flashlight, it's a rear button. You have high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. So without further ado, let's start testing this thing. had to come inside. It's cold out there, and I've got my hands wet. You be the judge. You tell me what you think. Drop me a comment. There's a little bit of grit in here, which would be expected. It just got dropped in some sand. There's a little bit of moisture up here, but I think that will dry out. But yeah, overall, I think it's a well-made light. It just went submerged, it got ran over, it got stepped on, it got coated in sand. So you be the judge. Let me know what you think. Drop me a comment. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up, and please consider hitting that subscribe button. And as always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.